Hello investors, the first IPO of 2025 is here. It's starting from tomorrow 20th Feb. And if you believe that the technology will remain the future, this could be one IPO you don't want to ignore. We are talking about AlefEdt, a company that's been sharing IT landscape in UAE for decades. But should you invest? What does the company do? How has it performed? And how does it when compared with listed tech peers like Presight AI, Space 42 and Phoenix? Let's break it all down in simple terms. First thing first, who is AlefEdt? AlefEdt, founded in 1981, is a UAE homegrown business with major operation across Dubai, Abu Dhabi and Sharjah. In 2022, the company expanded its presence to Saudi Arabia and Qatar. As one of the largest IT solution providers in the UAE, AlefEdt helps businesses adopt cutting edge technologies including cloud computing, cyber securities, AI, and digital transformation. The company has built a strong reputation serving government entities, large enterprises, and multinational corporations such as DP World, National Bank of Fujairah, MBRSC, and DIBSA, along with long-term relationship with major organizations like Emirates Airlines, ADNOC, and Dubai Airports. It provides basically everything a modern business needs to stay competitive in a digital-first world. According to IDC market report, AlefEdt held approximately 6% of the addressable market in UAE in 2023. So why is the company going public now? IPO is a part of long-term succession plan by the selling shareholders and aims to increase AlefEd's visibility to investment world. The proceeds will not go to the company itself but to the existing shareholders who are selling their stakes as a part of this offering. But I think within the UAE and Saudi governments pushing massive digital transformation projects under Vision 2030 and UAE Digital Government Strategy 2025, the demand for IT solution is only set to grow. That means AlefEdt is positioning itself in high growth market, and investors looking for exposure to tech sector might find this IPO interesting. Now let's talk about company's financials. In terms of numbers, AlefEdt has seen a solid 21.9% annual revenue growth over the past 3 years. Their gross margins remain stable at around 12.5% in 2024 with a net profit margin of 5.5%. The company has strong cash flow, meaning they have been able to reward investors with healthy dividends, an average 75% payout over the last 4 years. Speaking of dividends, if you love passive income, listen up. AlefEdt plans to distribute 130 million dirhams in dividends for 2025 in two installments. First in October 2025 and second is in April 2026. And going forward, they have committed to paying at least 80% of their net profit as dividends every year. So AlefEdt is established name in booming sector, but how does it compare to with its peers? Let's compare AlefEdt with four listed tech stock on ADX: Presight AI, Space 42, formerly Bayanat, Aleph Education, and Phoenix Group. Presight AI focuses on AI-driven analytics for education, healthcare, and smart cities. Space 42 specializes in AI-powered geospatial intelligence and mobility satellite solutions. Phoenix Group is deeply involved in blockchain and crypto technologies. Aleph Education is a technology company in education sector. AlefEdt stands apart by offering tailored IT solution by integrating advanced technologies including cyber securities, cloud, AI, big data, and automation. That means AlefEdt is targeting a different segment of tech space, from tailored IT solution to critical IT infrastructure, which is a backbone of digital transformation. Since it aligns with Presight AI and Aleph Education and considering its strong market presence, fundamentals, and growth prospects, I think offer price could be between 1.30 to 1.80 dirhams. Let's see on 26 February 2025 when final price will be announced after IPO subscription period ends. Alright, let's talk about IPO specifics and key points to remember. 400 million shares are being offered as a part of this IPO, which is 40% of the company's total shares. 5%, that is 20 million shares, are reserved for retail investors in tranche 1. Minimum investment for retail investors is 5,000 dirhams with an increment of 1,000 dirhams. How to subscribe? You can apply via ADX eIPO portal or through receiving banks like Emirates NBD, EDCB, EDIB, or Vio Bank. Key dates to remember are: IPO will open for subscription from 20th Feb and closes on 25th Feb for retail investors. So if you're planning to apply via ADX eIPO portal, then consider doing it till 24th of Feb. Shares will be allocated on 4th of March and listing will be on 11th March on ADX. Now let's wrap this up with some final thoughts on why this IPO is happening at the right time. The UAE and Saudi IT sectors are booming with 9 to 11% CAGR growth projected over next 5 years. Government-led initiatives like Vision 2030 and UAE Digital Government Strategy 2025 are pushing for rapid digitalization, which directly benefits IT companies like AlefEdt. Compared to listed peers, Alpha Data brings a different flavor to tech IPO space. So I believe in the long-term potential of IT services and cloud solutions in Middle East. Alpha Data could be the IPO worth looking at. Will you be subscribing in this IPO? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into upcoming IPO and stock trends. See you in the next video. Till then, happy investing.